lovelies, what is up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. I know, not my typical coffee. I needed something really hydrating today because I'm sure you guys saw by the title, you're probably thinking, Haley, how many makeovers can one person do? Especially since in my last vlog, we were telling you guys that we were actually looking for our next dream house. As you know, we are currently renting and we are looking for something to buy. But that being said, I want to disclaim that this makeover is not in the house. For the first time ever, I have a full blank canvas because we are going to be redoing our backyard slash patio area. I've lived here for over a year and we've never taken advantage of the fact that we have a backyard space. And now that the summer's coming up, and I'm gonna be honest, the search for a new house is really bleak. So I really just don't want to wait. I want to take advantage of making our space as perfect as it can be right now. And if we ever move, all the furniture that I'm gonna get for today's makeover, I'm just gonna pick it up and take it with me. This is the inspiration that I have for this patio space. I really want it to be a place that we can host friends and we can do fun barbecues or even just spend time having lunch outside with the girls. And for nighttime, I want to add patio lights and just make it feel like just a nice place to chill with friends. Last night I went ahead and did a lot of furniture shopping at Home, which is really like my favorite place to buy furniture because they have a lot of stuff at really affordable prices. But let me head back and take you guys to the store with me so you can see exactly what I got. So crazy, you guys. Legit every single time I come here, we're like in a different season, which makes sense because At Home is actually sponsoring me to do some more Instagram reels. I do one with them every couple of months. Right now they really wanted me to focus on patio season, which I thought was perfect because I wanted to create like a really fun patio anyway. So they did give me a little bit of budget to spend here, but I feel like I'm probably gonna add some more of my money because patio stuff can definitely add up. But ooh, okay, I already like this. So I love the idea of like eating outside, and I always wanted a dining table. I feel like the bench would be so perfect for Aaliyah as well. These chairs are really cute too. $249 though for a pair of two is kind of pricey. It's got really like nice wooden legs and it looks amazing with the bench for sure. This sofa is so cute also. I'm really liking gray for outdoors. You guys know that Eran and I are looking for a house right now, and I feel like if we did have a bigger space, I would definitely opt for a huge sectional like this. I love the shape of these. I feel like you could even get two and put it together to make kind of like a little semicircle bed. I love the black details also. It's so sleek. I love coming in the evening. There's like barely anyone here, so I can do embarrassing stuff like try out beds for myself. Okay, dream item, a sofa set like this. One day we're manifesting it. For now, let's do something for the lower budget people like me. And okay, I just spotted this. And you know what it reminds me? I can buy a rug. You guys know my entire rug saga in the house. To get an outdoor rug, I think is a really nice way to maybe add some color to the space. Here's just like a couple of examples of what an outdoor rug can do. So let's hope Eran doesn't get mad for me bringing home yet another rug. All right, made it to the little rug section. You know that I love the at-home rugs, but I've never shopped for the outdoor rugs here. I thought that it would be really good to actually start picking and choosing items here because I feel like the rug is what's gonna have like that bit of color, and it's gonna help me find the decor that will match with it. Because we do want to get a sense of like cohesiveness. I don't know, I'm thinking as an accent color maybe blue, like that's something different, very nautical inspired. I think that can be cool. As much as you know I'm driven to it, I told myself no more boring gray area rugs. We are going for some color, some texture. I'm thinking stripes. Ooh, like something like this, but maybe in like a bigger rug version. Yeah, the green's a bit much. Let's see. Ooh, is this the one I'm talking about? I think so. I've got two rug options and I really don't know which to go with. I personally really love this like checker with a slight yellow. I think it looks really nice. But on the other hand, because the sofa section is gray, I feel like touches of blue may complement the gray really well. I don't know, guys. I'm debating. Okay, yet another change of plans. Now I kind of found this one, which is so pretty. And it matches these plastic plates. So stunning. I'm gonna bring this back to the sofa area and make my final decision. If you can't tell, Haley's very indecisive and my husband will not be happy with another 2, 3, 4, 5 rug returns. So I gotta make sure that this is a decision we'll be happy with. Or at least I'll be happy with. Okay, I don't know if this was something from like a couple years ago, but everybody was obsessed with egg chairs. Do you remember? This is a swivel one, which is super cool. I've always dreamed of actually getting a chair like this. You're gonna laugh. For inside the house, I feel like if you had a house big enough, these hanging egg chairs are so freaking cool. It's kind of like one of those things that I always dreamed as a kid to have like a reading nook with a swing chair kind of situation. I guess then as adults, some dreams just don't go away. Like for real, you guys, once we do find that dream home of mine that I can actually go ahead and make my own, I want to put every inch of creativity into that space. But what can I say? Everything in its right time, right, you guys? Major bust. You guys don't understand. I was literally so excited. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this table and I'm gonna get the bench. It does not fit into my car. They only have a delivery, like a third-party delivery service, and I have to film this reel tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to do plan B. I'm going nuts, guys. Now I just found another sleek black table. It is beautiful and it does look like it's wide enough to actually fit in my car. So now I'm like, I think I'll get this one with 2 side chairs because I think black and blue would look so stunning. This rug for sure. Now that we're going for the black and blue theme, we actually could pick up one of these chairs with this cushion. It looks so good. OM flippin' G. This is literally what it takes. I was at the store until like a minute before closing. The guy, Robert, was so nice. He literally helped me load up the entire car. We got the table, we've got the bench, we've got the rug. We fit the chairs in here too. Listen, for someone who doesn't have a van, I'm very impressed that we were able to do this. Oh, I'm sweating buckets and now I kind of get why Aaron doesn't like to do these things with me. He's like, I'm gonna watch the kids and you be the one dealing with bringing this stuff. He's like, I'll deal with it when it becomes a return because he knows I always end up returning my stuff. But I do really love these and I don't think we'll be returning them. I'm gonna bring these back home and I guess I'll meet you guys in the morning and I'll show you all the decor that I got because I didn't show it on camera yet. So stay tuned.
You can't even see anything in the car.
I know, it's really stuffed. The guy was like looking at me like, you're doing this all by yourself? I'm like, yeah. My husband didn't want to come with me.
Yeah, where would I have sat anyway?
Honestly, yeah, that's true. Good thing you stayed home. Can't let me bring inside.
You could at least bring a burger with you.
That would have been nice, wouldn't have been? Okay, we've got all the furniture here. I'm gonna get to building this in a second. And I actually got a lot of like dinnerware and decor perfect for the outside too. And I just can't wait to open up this rug and see what it looks like. Before I even go ahead and put everything out there, like you guys can see, everything here was just literally thrown together and it doesn't make sense. Like this random rug basically blends into the tile. The pillow's pink, the table is gray. It just doesn't make sense. And oh, let me also just say this. We got no palm trees on our side of the house. None. But their leaves literally keep falling into our backyard all the time and we have to always schlep it to the front. But I want to ask you guys, okay, honest question, comment down below, if this was your backyard and you had a situation like this, that your neighbor's leaves constantly kept falling in your backyard, would you just like toss it out into the garbage every time, or would you like bloop, put it back over on their side because it's technically their leaves? I don't know, comment below. I want to know what you would do because I've contemplated both, I'm not gonna lie. Really nice if my husband was home right about now. Moving the heavy stuff, that's his expertise. Okay, table's done. That was actually super easy. Now onto the bench. I think it's basically the same thing, just smaller. So as you guys can tell, my fence is not super tall, but because we really want to add those overhead string lights, this is what I'm doing. I grabbed a 2x4 from Home Depot. It's literally such a cheap piece of wood, and I decided to spray paint it black just to give it an overall more sleek look. And once that's dried up, I'm going to show you a renter-friendly way to put this up on your fence without actually having to make any holes. Okay, you guys, so the little wooden pole right now, I made it black obviously to match like the table and the bench. And basically what my train of thought is, right in front of the tree, I'm going to go ahead and attach that pole with some zip ties. The zip ties I ordered are actually too short, but here's a little hack. If your zip ties are ever too short, you can actually just attach multiple together. Then you end up with something like this that is big enough to wrap around the pole and the fence. And then to the top of the pole, this hook is where I'm actually going to be attaching like all of the lights. I wanted to kind of make like a little triangle, so I'm going to have the one pole with all the lights coming one way, and then they're going to like scatter to different points of our house to kind of create like this draping curtain over top effect. I picked up the string lights from Amazon. I just got them in a black, and it just comes with a bunch of little LED bulbs like this. You guys, I'm totally winging this. I'm really hoping that it's gonna work, but if it does, I'll finally have my beautiful starry night backyard of my dreams. Sorry y'all, I am absolutely sweating, but it's absolutely perfect. As you can see, my 3 hooks worked perfectly, so I can go in all directions. I started it over there, that's where the outlet is, and then it went this way. I don't know if you can see, but I did kind of like a boat shape over here because everything that I chose out is very like sporty and rich, like nautical themed. So I kind of wanted to give off that vibe when the lights were on at night. And then I just attached it to the house. Honestly, weird enough, my house already has like all these like little random bolts, so I was easily able to do that with no problem at all. And now I just gotta go and add all the lights to it. Well, hi my lovelies. I'm am picking up the vlog 2 days later actually. Yes, I'm in the same outfit because I'm still gonna finish up filming the reel today of the patio makeover. But on Friday, I basically cleaned up the entire backyard and I added the lights as you guys saw. And today I'm gonna go ahead and actually finish everything else up. I'm gonna rehydrate myself again. These noons have been my favorite thing. Last time I had the tri-berry. I'm gonna have the strawberry lemonade one today. It's a really great way to like add electrolytes to your water without actually having to have all those like processed artificial dyes and flavors. I picked these up on Thrive Market, by the way. You guys know that's where I love to do my like pantry basic everyday grocery shopping. And I wanted to clarify to you guys because there was some confusion in my last vlog when I talked about them. I still go to the grocery store to get like fresh produce and frozen goods because those are not things that I get delivered from Thrive Market. But everything like snacks, pantry essentials, drinks, pastas, rice, like all that kind of stuff, that's what I get from Thrive. But anyway, before I go ahead and put everything in the backyard, let me show you what I actually ended up getting. Sorry for the mess, but you guys saw the rug that I ended up getting was this one. It has like the multiple patterns in it. We got 2 of those black chairs. I actually think I'm gonna go back and get 2 more. Okay, the girl at the store really helped me out with this because I really wanted like a more funky rug, but then because of that, I thought that we would go more neutral for the pillows. So I just got some like white cushions for the chairs, as well as one really big white cushion for the bench. It's actually so plush and thick, and Erin and I actually ordered on a Wayfair, what's it called? One of those like little storage boxes just like this. We're gonna keep it outside and it's waterproof. So whenever we're not using these cushions, I can go ahead and store it away there so it doesn't get gross. Whenever me, Erin, and the girls want to do something outside, I always prefer to use plastic plates, but I think it's called melanin. I don't remember, but these kind of plates that are like a hard plastic. So I basically got a set of 6 of the larger plates and the smaller plates so they can just sit like this. And I think with the blues on the rug, it's gonna look so good. Got those. I also got like one big salad bowl plate because we love making huge Caesar salad. And this will be really perfect because I don't even know if I mentioned, the girls are home today. They're literally taking a nap right now. I'm just keeping an eye on Naomi. Aaliyah's also napping too. Once they wake up and the patio's all ready, we're gonna go ahead and do like a little nice barbecue, hot dogs, burgers. And I think a plate like this would be so cute to kind of like serve up the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, buns, all that kind of stuff. I got an ivory table runner in the same color as the cushions. I thought it would be a nice contrast with the black table. And then some plastic cups, but these ones are so beautiful. Can you guys see the whole blue theme? I mean, I love it. It's gonna just make me feel like I'm on a Greek villa or something. And if you guys want to know exactly how it is my brain works, this is what I do when I have my plan. And I basically like put everything that I got in one place and I kind of see if I like the vibe. This was the original design that I was gonna go for if I was gonna get the other table, but because I ended up getting the black one, this is a design that I'm going for now. I just wanted to mention it if you guys are not already somebody who does this. If you're going to design a room or a space and you just don't know how the colors, the textures, the patterns will work, take it into like some kind of Photoshop app. It is so easy. You just upload the photo, get rid of the background, and you can kind of like see how all the colors and textures play together. And that way, once I'm happy about that, I can more or less see what it's gonna look like once it's all together. I got about an hour until the girls have to wake up. I will show them to you guys also. But until then, let's go ahead and set up the rest of the patio. Absolutely floored, you guys. I never thought that it would turn out as nice as it did. But oh my god, the sun is glaring right down, but look how beautiful this whole space looks. The little touch of blue I feel like is so perfect and makes it feel so coastal, but in such a classy modern way. It's actually so crazy how just choosing a little accent color, in this case the blue, having it a bit in the rug and just in the dinnerware, honestly pulls together the entire design and it looks so thought out. And the lights overhead, I mean obviously it's not dark right now so you don't get the whole moody vibe, but it still looks so amazing. I definitely feel like it brings this entire porch together. I had to stop Eran like mid-workout, as you guys can see, because this is obviously more important. He needs to see how this looks because oh my god. We're gonna go outside, but close your eyes. Don't look. Oh my god, it looks so good. Don't look, don't look, don't look.
Bang into something.
You won't. You guys can literally see the mess behind, but it's all fine. Oh wait, Aaliyah's scooter. Walk around. Walk around.
I'm wearing my outdoor shoes.
It's fine. Okay, you ready? On the count of... Open.
Oh, dang.
Babe.
Baby.
Doesn't it look so nice?
It's honestly very nice.
Like gorgeous?
It's so nice I don't want to touch it. It looks like it's like a display at IKEA or something.
So see, sometimes your wife has good taste.
Yeah, sometimes.
I like want to have a dinner party right now.
As soon as the girls come, flipped over.
I mean, honestly, the good thing is those plates are plastic, so they're not going to ruin it. We can actually use it. But
very good.
Why am I like liking the outside more than the inside for the first time?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Woo! High five. We finally have a nice backyard.
Anelia's knocking on the door.
We do have a little bit of an empty space over there, and I think I'm still gonna go ahead and put the swing there. Maybe I'm just gonna get an outdoor rug that just pulls together a little bit nicer with this one. But for now, I'm gonna leave it empty because once the girls wake up, we're actually gonna be doing an entire swim day with them. Like we said, Sunday fun day, we always either try to like get out of the house and go somewhere or just do like a fun activity at home. So now that the weather is finally nice, I ordered a pool for like $26 on Walmart because our last year's pool got a hole in it and deflated. So we're gonna put it right there. We're gonna have a little splish splash day with the girls. Then I'm gonna make some burgers, some hot dogs, and we're gonna have lunch all together here. I'm so excited. But first, of course, I gotta wake up Aaliyah and I wanna get her reaction. Good morning. Hi, Aaliyah. Say hi to everybody. Look outside. Do you like it? What is it? What is it?
You did it.
I did it. It looks beautiful. Do you like it? We're gonna go outside today and then we're gonna do pool. You wanna go swimming? Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down here.
You wanna sit down here and have lunch? We're gonna have burgers and
Hot dog.
hot dogs.
No, I wanna go.
You wanna go to the pool. Okay, so we're gonna wait for Abba. Abba doing gym. Okay, when Abba's done,
I
we're gonna...
want to say hi.
You wanna say hi to Abba? Okay, go. Go say hi to Abba. Did Mama do a good job?
Yeah.
High five. Woo! My daughter said I did a good job. I mean, really, what other approval do I need, right? Now to deal with this mess of a kitchen. But hashtag real mom moment. As much as things could look really, really good here, there's always a mess somewhere in the back. What it's supposed to look like. I didn't want one that inflates, and this one doesn't look like it does. Fishies! Oh my gosh, it's like Nemo! Yeah, Naomi. Oh my god, guys, look at this hair. She slept in pigtails and I just took him out. Look at that! He looked like Albert Einstein. She's watching so intently. Aaliyah, and her bathing suit literally matches our decor too. Mama? Mama? He looks like he's struggling a little. And in what's possibly the most authentic turn of events, right, Evan?
Very much so.
We are literally eating outside because we are being attacked by flies. Babe, I did not think about that. Mosquitoes, we got like the mosquito repellent. Babe, this really makes me consider though, when we do move into like our future house that we buy, God willing, I think it does make sense to do one of those like netted situations, you know? I also did want to clarify because in the last video, I got quite a bit of questions about why we move so often. And guys, I know it seems like it because a lot of my content is like home based, but keep in mind that Ellen and I don't move that much. I mean, it makes sense that we moved from Toronto to Florida, right? So we moved from there, we rented a house, and then the reason we moved into this house is because we just needed an upgrade. The last house was just so small and like we had baby Naomi, so I was like, okay, we definitely need something bigger. And the reason now we're looking for another place is because we just want to buy. It has nothing to do with the fact that this house doesn't satisfy our like living situation needs. It's just more of the fact that we're just ready to buy at this point. She literally just stole my burger out of my hand. She's like, yeah, I was eating that. This is your child for sure. Burger? It's tasty?
She didn't want the burger in the beginning.
Yeah, she only wants it if it's mine. What else is new? Aaliyah's already been swimming outside, but now that we're done eating, we're gonna go ahead and join her. Naomi, give me the slipper. This girl in slippers. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you are watching up to this point, you are the real MVP. And if you are watching, then comment down below, pumped for patio season. It's a little bit long, but if you commented down below, I know that you're a real one. Right, babe?
Right.
Pumped for patio season unless there's like bugs. But let me know down below what you guys also think of the makeover and how it turned out. Also, I'm really curious to know how many of you guys are like currently living in a home? Are you in an apartment? Do you have a backyard, a patio, a deck? I would love to know because I know that so many of us are from so many different places around the world and have very different living situations. Okay, you want to say bye, Naomi? Okay, Naomi wants to say bye-bye, guys. Look at this freaking bathing suit. This used to be Aaliyah's and now it fits her so well. But thank you guys so much for watching. We love you forever and always and we can't wait to see you in our next one. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Naomi.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, that's my hot dog. Okay, here. Every day.